One more time. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding. Are you seeing this too, guys? The transaction just showed up. Real Bitcoin, real address. This video is not financial advice. It's just my personal experience, and you don't have to repeat it. Hi, everyone. My name's Arthur, and I've been trading and making my living with cryptocurrencies since I was 19. I often heard about different ways of cloud mining cryptocurrencies, and as a trader, I wanted to learn more about a project that would allow me to make my living more consistently. I watched dozens of YouTube videos to find something good until I actually stumbled upon a way of cloud mining cryptocurrencies that worked for me. So watch until the end. There are only 4 simple steps that even a beginner will be able to handle. Step 1. I go to the bot. By the way, here's the link to my Telegram channel where I share tips on how to earn money with crypto. Here I hit done. Then step 2. I click here, then this. Next, I select BTC, and here I'm going to enter my address. Give me just a second. I'm going to go here. And actually, I wanted to say that I don't choose altcoins or hype coins because if it works with Bitcoin, then this method definitely works. So I'm entering it. Then I press continue, and here's the step 3. I choose the amount of coins I want to mine. And yep, the mining process has just started. Now we need to wait a little. It's not going to take long, and done. Okay, and here's the last step. I need to copy this address, and I'm going to go back here. Give me just a moment here. I'm going to go ahead to this section. Okay, and I'm going to enter it right here, and I'm going to enter this amount. That will do. And I'm going to hit continue. There we go. Now it's processing. And yeah, great. Okay, basically, I'm going to go back here. All right. I'm waiting for a notification. Oh, there it is. Great. It's here. And right now, I'm just going to reload this page. Come on. One more time. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding. Are you seeing this too, guys? The transaction just showed up. Real Bitcoin, real address. All the details are here. And guys, I'm waiting for your feedback. Bye-bye.